Good morning, myself Shashidhar. Today's my topic in system programming is general machine structure. This is diagram of general machine structure. General machine structure, instructor interpreter is a group of electrical circuits hardware that forms the purpose of the instructions fetched from the memory. It is like a decoder that decodes the types of instruction, that is interprets the instructions fetched from the memory. Location counter, also known as a program counter in PCs, or instruction counter, is an hardware memory device which holds the location of current instructions being executed. Instruction register, that is IR, contains a copy of current instruction that can be that is executed. Working registers are the memory devices that serves as scratch pads for the instruction interpreter. They are basically general purpose of registers. General purpose registers, GPRs, are used by the programmer as strong locations and special functions. Memory. In memory address register contains the address of memory location that is to be read from or stored into. Memory buffer register contains a copy of the designated memory location located specified by the memory buffer register after a read operation or the new contents of memory location to write operation. Memory controller is an hardware that transfers the data to the instruction between the MBR, means memory controller, and the core memory location, the address of which is present in MAR. Input output channels. Input output channels can be thought as separate computers which interpret special instructions for inputting and outputting the information from the memory. Add instruction to illustrate how these components work. Add 2, 176, where add is the operation code, 2 is the register number, 176 is the memory location. The instruction means and the contents of general register 2 with the data stored in memory location 176 and stored in the result in register 2. The sequence of hardware operations required to execute this instruction is given in the micro flowchart of the figure. See, this is the diagram how it takes. Step 1. Move the address of current instruction which is present in LC to MAR. Step 2. Read the instruction from memory whose address is specified in MAR and move it to MBR. Step 3. Put the instruction into IR. Step 4. Find the type of instruction specified in R If instruction type is add, performing following steps. Move the address field into instruction present in IR to MAR. Read the data present at 176 and move it to MBR. Step 7. Move the general register value present in IR. Step 8. Add the contents of WR MBR. Store the result in WR. Step 9. Move the contents of WR into general register of field of IR. Step 10. Increment IC to address of next instruction. Step 11. Repeat the step 1. That's it. Thank you.